guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Galaxy A20. Samsung is on a roll this year. They have launched plenty of budget phones and this is the new one in the A series lineup and it's called the A20. Pricing is 12,419 Indian rupees and here inside the box everything is the usual stuff like documentation, a headset which is the old Samsung style headset which is pretty bad. Then there is the USB-C charging cable which is actually a good thing. Then you get the charging brick rated at 9 volt 1.67 amps which is a fast charger, and finally you get the SIM ejection tool. So let's keep all these stuff away and check the main thing, which is the phone itself. I got the red color but it's also available in black and blue. On checking the device, on the bottom there is the USB-C charging port, headphone jack, microphone and a speaker. On the rear of the device you can see the dual cameras with flash and also the fingerprint scanner. All the buttons are on the right side of the device and they're made of plastic like the main body of the phone. Then on the left of the device is the SIM tray which has 2 slots for nano SIM and a slot for an SD card. This is a good thing considering the internal storage of the device is just 32 GB, so you can actually use a SD card to expand it for storing photos and videos. And then on the top is the secondary microphone. The setup process of the device is straightforward and it took me around 5 minutes to complete the whole setup process, and the first thing I'm liking after setting up the device is the display. It's a 6.4 inch HD plus display and it's a Super AMOLED display. The display really looks nice with punchy colors, which is the plus point of an AMOLED screen, and also the viewing angles are really good. The display also gets fairly bright and dim, and yes, the A20 has ambient light sensor. The resolution is not very high, it is 1560 by 720 which gives a pixel density of 268 ppi, and if you're very picky about the display, you can see the impact of lower pixel density, but overall I like the display and at normal using distance, the display really looks nice. One thing Samsung has skipped here is that there is no always on display option even though the display is AMOLED. Now this rear of the phone is made of plastic and it's a fingerprint magnet, and actually the red color I have got, I like it but it looks a bit cheap. It has this glossy finish and it's because of that it attracts a lot of fingerprints, and from the other newly launched Samsung budget phones that I have used, this will get scratched over time. The rear camera module is almost flush to the body of the phone and same is the case with the fingerprint scanner. But I really wish the fingerprint scanner was a bit more recessed so that you can easily find it for unlocking the phone. The phone is powered by the Exynos 7884 which is an octa-core processor in which 2 cores are clocked at 1.56 GHz and 6 cores are clocked at 1.35 GHz. I ran Geekbench but the scores are not that exciting. The single core score is 1107 and the multi-core score is 3457. The A20 has 3 GB of RAM which is not bad, and as I said earlier, the internal storage is 32 GB in which out of the box you'll be getting around 22 GB of usable space. I've actually installed all the apps that I use on regular basis and that's why the storage is now approximately 14 GB. One of the good things of the A series phones is that they run Android Pie out of the box, and also it has Samsung's new One UI, and the security patch level is 1st Feb 2019. Samsung's new One UI is a really good skin that is available for Android right now, and I like it. Everything is easily accessible, and also the night mode is a good addition, especially since this display is AMOLED because the menus turn black and actually it looks pretty neat. This phone has 4000 mAh battery, and my initial impression about battery life is that the battery is lasting well, and the device also supports 15 watt fast charging. I'm not going to comment about the camera performance right now because I haven't tested it, but for the specs, on the rear you get dual camera setup in which the primary sensor is 13 megapixel with f1.9 aperture and the secondary camera is a wide angle 5 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture, and for the front camera it's a 8 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. But this is just specs on paper, and what really matters is how it performs while capturing shots. So that's all for the unboxing and the initial review about the Galaxy A20. I've been using it for almost 24 hours now and the phone doesn't lag much right now. But phones out of the box usually works well, and over time we will notice how it actually performs, and so I'm gonna test it in depth and then we'll let you guys know everything about this phone in my full review which will be coming soon. Also, before you go, in case if you're wondering, PUBG works well at medium graphics setting even though it's a bit on the slower side for loading. That's up for this video guys. Hope you liked it. If so, please do hit the like button and please do subscribe so that you won't miss the full review which is gonna come soon. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye.